This is Rishi Sabharwal and you are watching the New Indian Express News Wrap. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy and Governor Biswabhushan Harichandan have expressed deep anguish and sadness over the untimely demise of Chief of Defence Staff General Bipin Rawat, his wife Madhulika, and 11 other defence personnel in an army helicopter crash near Kannur in Tamil Nadu today. One of the victims was Lance Naik B. Sai Tej from Kurubalakota of Chittoor district. Offering condolences to families of all the victims, Jagan said, Andhra Pradesh lost a brave son and the state stands with the nation in this hour of shock and expresses its resolute solidarity. Expressing profound grief, that governor termed General Rawat's death a great loss for the nation. Sai Tej was posted as the personal security officer of Bipin Rawat and is survived by a wife, a son and a daughter, reports reaching here said. He joined the armed services in 2013 and his relatives said Sai Tej had last visited his native for Ganesh Chaturthi this year. TDP chief and former Chief Minister N. Chandrababu Naidu also expressed grief over General Rawat's demise, which he said was a huge loss to the armed forces. A day after a foreign returnee from Umilada in Srikakulam district tested positive for COVID, 2 of his immediate contacts were also diagnosed with the virus. The district authorities collected samples of 24 of his contacts on Tuesday and another 46 today. 2 of the 24 samples collected yesterday came back positive for coronavirus. Results of the samples sent to the Center for Cellular Biology, Hyderabad, for genome sequencing are still awaited. Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has directed officials to spread awareness on the benefits of the OTS scheme under Jagananna Sampurna Gruha Hakku. Reviewing the progress of the one-time settlement scheme and YSR Jagananna colonies today, the Chief Minister reiterated that the scheme is totally voluntary and houses will be registered with clear title. He said the state government will waive off Rs 10,000 crore of housing loans for the poor and the registration will be done for free. Taking serious exception to the opposition's comments on the scheme, Jagan said vested interests have been trying to hinder its implementation. He directed the officials to distribute registration documents to the beneficiaries from December 21. In other news, the centre has said it will consider giving additional financial assistance to Andhra Pradesh after the interministerial central team which visited the flood affected parts from November 26 to 29 submits its report. The team had visited Nellore, Kadapa, Chittoor to assess the damage due to the floods after the recent rains. In reply to a question raised by YSRC MP Vijay Sai Reddy in the Rajya Sabha, Union Minister of Home Affairs Nityanand Rai said the centre has allocated Rs 895 crore under STRF and released the amounts in 2 installments. With that, it's a wrap. Do follow us on Instagram, Twitter and YouTube and download the New Indian Express app for more news and updates.